Agua, no vida Maria. Good evening, everyone. Happy New Month to you guys. Happy New Month. This is your girl, your one and only Princess Yvie, aka Walawa Progressive Junior. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, lovers of Yvie. Good evening. As you got this video, please share it out and let it go far. I love this. Happy New Month. This is a month of November, the only month that starts with N-O-No. You know, the N-O-No means so many things. So when you say no to many things, yeah, the month of November, you're welcome to the month of November. The months that begin with N-O-No. It means no weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. No shame, no restriction, no death, no sickness, no diminution, no bad news, no sudden death, no accident, no wahala of any kind, no regret, no loss, no regret, no pains, no weeping, no sorrows, no disappointment, no failure, no calamity. As you proceed this month, it shall be. As you proceed this month, it shall be a month of victory, glory, and name of all kind. Thank you, guys. In Jesus' mighty name, this is a prayer from Africa German Queen. Talk sure. All right, everyone. Let's go to the main reason why we are here before. Good evening. Before we were playing, I was playing one music before, Hello, everyone. Please share this video. This video is going to be very important. Yes, so we have what do we have in the house? We have so many things to talk about today. First and foremost, I want to appreciate so many people today. I want to appreciate as many as possible, Happy New Month, guys. Good evening, my lady. I sight you. Okay, without wasting much of your time, we'll play this music. We'll continue with it, okay? We will continue with it later in the day because I just love this music. I just felt I should share with you guys this music. So it does is there trying to share. Okay. So thank you, guys. Just share, like. +1 7620520 893. Okay, That is my number there of pin comments. Okay. So, guys, let us go to the reason why we are here. So, as you see, the topic there is restructuring social media. So, I'm going to start from there so that we will know where we are. No my best good evening. Amelia director is here. Yes, so please, as you are just coming, share this video, share it out. Share it out, share this video out, let it go viral. I want this video to go, this video, if it did not go viral, if it not go viral, I'm gonna go viral. You may not bury here, a video now, what go viral, bunny. I was so boy, you know what go viral because sometimes I want to win once and not be one ban. I try you magbo, I do me. I try you magbo. Oh, I know when I got the dollar, you can't one ma, maybe quajon, I get but dollar. Not that we dining a rock ba. But I got jet baking. I don't know the way we done. We are Bamaro, no way we done. I know the third party maru where there's no one way or the other that there's no third party in an issue. Restructure. Good evening, darling. Ella, for real. That's my babe. Restructuring social media, we have to restructure it in the way that everybody will come day. Yes, the only way where peace go take the social media and when everybody will don't restructure social media, everybody will come day. You mind your business, I go mind my business. If anything they play, it's not a must. You must talk about it. If you know say that person, most especially when you know say that person are your enemy, or you know they talk to that person, say it as it is. Don't say it because of the interest you have on that person. Don't say it because you have been sentimental about that person. Somebody like me, I am not a sentimental person. I say it the way it is. I throw it out the way it fits individuals. The way it fits individuals, I do it that way. I am not sentimental. I'd say it, I'm not afraid of anybody. I am not in your house. You are not in my house. But I will not fail to do so. That makes me hypocritism. So I don't want to be hypocritism. I give it the way, not because we are friends or because we are enemy. No, I don't do my things like that. Even when we are not friends, that is even where I have a higher opportunity to really discuss your issue, to really make a right decision, that is a right judgment on such issues. You understand? Because when I finish it, even the person in question will say, me and this woman will not they play. Why she can't judge this matter for my favor? But she will not know why, because I was not sentimental about it. That was why the favor was given to her. You understand? So it does not mean that because we are not in good terms, that I should take that you should be a yardstick for me to like ride on that person, take a ride on that person, you know. So it is not good. So let's restructure social media, because social media, all I know about social media is like communicating with people you've not met for so long, people where you can do your little businesses, so you can communicate with others, where you can make good things. But the way social media is going about now, like the way I'm seeing it, in fact, me, I'm also running away. I'm running out. You know why? Because what I am saying now is quite different from what I was in. Maybe because initially I was not really part of this side of sagaring or whatever they call it. Maybe because I was day by day. Maybe that was why I couldn't understand the word, another word apart of social media. I'm not speaking the truth because of it. Okay. Yeah. So that is why. So because of hatred, bias, that is out of. I don't know how to describe it to you guys, the way you guys will really understand what I'm trying to bring out this evening. I am not here to insult anybody, but I'm just here to give it the way it is. It's either you like it or not. We will take it, we will give it the way it is. So we are going to restructure social media so that everybody will mind you will day. You will day your day. You will mind yourself. You will mind your doing. You understand? You mind you're doing. It's not even everything you react to. It's not everything you answer to. Like somebody like me. When I answer to you, you know that I answer to you. But I've seen it that when you're answering to people, like Oswald when you go marine and jebete mega na all day. Oswald you not come with social media. Yeah. The wicked run it when no man pursue it. That is the truth. So restructuring social media is going to help us all a lot. It's going to help us all a lot. So this social media we are seeing today is so diabolic. So I don't know how to describe it. It's so I'm in fact I am afraid. I'm afraid of it. It's so barbaric. You see people on daily basis planning group to assassinate human a whole life because of social media, to end somebody's life because of social media, right? Or what do you call that? Just because of social media. And please, as you are coming, give it a turn up and give it a like, give it and share it, because if you don't share this video, the people I really want to talk to, they will not see it. Share it, please. Just share. You're not going to pay your sharing. Just put your hand on the sharing button. Share it. And like my page. If you are new here, this is Africa Jama Queen Talk Show. Please like my page, share it, and follow me. In case if I have any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So, or when I'm on live, so you will be notified. So, thank you guys. Thank you. So, the evil that may do, live with them. So, let's leave evil out of social media. Because the kind of hatred because of just one person, you want to destroy a whole nation. I know even because of Jesus Christ, you see how they destroy a whole nation because of you. Because they were looking for Jesus. They were looking for him by all means. So all the male children was being, you know what I mean? Was being condemned to death because they were looking for one person. So the same thing when a power, another power want to destroy. Even if you are innocent, you are unfortunate to be in that same position. They want to take that person's blood. You will share your blood along with it. That is why evil gathering, we need to stop it. Evil gathering in social media. Who will you like if, but let's assume, really, somebody fall down on social media now and that, who is going to be celebrating? Let me tell you guys about, no, people don't like when they hear the truth. When you are telling them the truth, they will be feel like, I beg, I know, pass. No, take the one you can take and leave the rest. It is very important. Death is inevitable. You don't negotiate with death. People don't really believe there is death. You don't, that is negotiable. You don't negotiate death. You don't negotiate with death. You don't negotiate it. Once death comes, it's gone. There is no excuse. You don't have any excuse to give. Like, I'm coming, let me go and wear my slippers. I'm coming, let me go and wear my wig of 1 million. No. I'm coming, let me go and... No. That privilege, you will never have it on that day. So, be quite assured, this word restructuring is going to help all of us all, including me. Maybe I feel not even join. Okay? Here's that. Yeah, hello? Here's that. Not banned from Vos Bazaar. Yeah? Ich weiß es nicht, aber lass mich, ich werde dich an, okay? Alles gut. Tschüss. Oh. So, restructuring is to restructure our life. Restructuring social media so that things will fall at place the way they used to be. Because the one I'm seeing, like as I've said in the beginning, until there is a bloodshed, to clean this mess. Somebody will pay with his blood. This thing you people are just playing with. You think it's just a child play. There is nothing like child play, if not that the grace of God was just upon people. That was why this, I have not taken another dimension. The grace that was sufficient. He said, I will have mercy upon those that I will have mercy on. It means that it's not everybody God going to have mercy upon. So be careful with what you do. Stop doing like you are a duga. There is a power in you that possessed you. That power you possessed, other people also possessed it. No matter which power you think you are possessing or you are in possession of today, people have passed through that stage. Yellow. Avec mon sacoye. It's a wire la video. Alright. You understand me? That same power you think you possessing, that is in you. Other people also possess them. Yeah. Other people also possess such power in your possession. The power was not given to one particular person to possess. It was given to many to possess. So it said, either you are called or out, I will spit you out. That is the word of God. I am not here to even preach Bible to anybody because why in Bible kakabo, I know the scripture very well. And I also know the other way very well. You know? So restructuring this social media is going to help all of us. Mostly the old presenters. Yeah, hello? People should stop disturbing. Mostly the old presenters and the upcoming presenters, most especially the upcoming presenters, need to restructure their words. The words that is coming out of the word is too heavy. The word I don't know what adjective to use for the kind of words that they possess in their possession. The way they speak, the words and manner they talk, the words and manner they present. I don't just know. They call themselves a motivational speaker. I don't know what they are motivating. I don't know what they are speaking. As a motivational speaker, you must learn how to measure. That is scale of measure. You must have a scale of measure to look into things and weigh it and balance it before you speak. Before you speak a word to any issues. You must be aware, you must be sure of that issue you want to present. You want to speak about. You must be sure about it. Don't just come out because you need viewers, because you need subscribers, because you need followers, because you need this. Then you fabricate whatever you think you can say. You are condemning somebody. You are breaking somebody down. You are fighting the person with the truth. There are some people that don't like mediaing. They don't like to be made sure in social media. But by the time you are bringing them in, you are also looking for another trouble. Two can play that game. Yeah, we are in it. They will tell you, now that you are trying to rubbish me, I can also do that. You know, when this paper of a shrine was being shared among many people, some presenters, more are still coming. More will still come. But if we are fast about restructuring, now. If we are fast about restructuring, flushing all irrelevant, dirty linen of ours, we flush it away. Then you will see this social media will be sweet again. We will restructure it by ourselves. All these daily basis insults, cursing, should stop. Need to stop. You guys need to stop it. You are not happy issues. You tell me, I tell you. You tell me bad word, I tell you bad word. Very soon, people will not look you people. People will not watch you again. Very soon, that time is coming. When you on your camera, you don't see anybody there. That time is coming. Not everybody that like a sagarin. Because most words you people come about, they are all lies. They are all lies. But because they love listening to lies, not that they don't know that all those things they were lies. But they just want to listen. So let's restructure social media so that everybody will live in peace. You day your day, why me I day my day? Day your day, I go day my day. You must not come and insult me. I must not come and insult you. As a motivational speaker, come out with, look at what is going on in our country. You can come up with something. Look at this girl now. Look at what people are doing with their life. Doing pornography on media. People go there, they'll get 2,000 viewers. They're not doing Sagario. Hey, oh, hey. This is what they're doing. And people go there and watch. You think they're stupid? No, they are not. Even when it irritates them, even when it irritates some, they still go and watch. You know why? They will have one or two things to pick from it. Yes! There are some women that don't even know how to play with their spy in the bed. Even their husband, they will be like, oh Lord, that's why you see their husband going out for side chicken. But by the time they are learning something from all this program, I think they will pick something. Restructuring social media, restructuring ourselves. Who is social media? Who are the social media? It's me and you. Who is the church? When you say it's church, who is the church? It's me and you, not just the world. So when we are talking about social media, I'm referring to you, me, him, her. I'm not referring to the world media. I'm referring to you and I. I am referring to you and I. Okay? I am referring to you and I. When I'm saying social media, I'm referring to you and I. I am not referring to a particular person, but you, me. We all are in together. Even if I decide to make a very slow and withdraw step, does not make me stupid. It does not make me more or less of a person. So you not replying somebody does not make you stupid, does not make you a lesser person. It makes you a wiser and an exposure person. Like you are more exposed, you are more learned than that person. So even if you want to go in another way, you want to reply someone, it's sometimes you don't even need violence. Sometimes you don't even need to shout your voice. Sometimes you don't even need to quarrel. Sometimes there is a way you even give it a polite insult. In fact, it will even be worse than shouting. Yeah. There are some polite insults that even the person you addressed, for that person to come and address you back, it will be very shocked. Because you have already shockalized that person. You have plugged light in his anus. You understand? It will shock his anus. You see? Like, people used to say, people used to send me some video. This person talk about me. Do you know why I don't answer? Because I don't want to answer to shit. I can only answer to people who I know that I am seeing. See me and you. I can be able to address your issue, not even answer. I don't need to answer you. Yeah, I might address you. Of course, you are a human being like me. If you have any power that you possessed, also know that if I don't possess it, somebody in my family possessed it. Yes. Somebody in my family might possess it. That same power you think you are possessing, even if I don't have it. That is the word for it. Yes. Once you travel all, we have all left our various definition to abroad. We are all living now in diaspora. Tell me why? What is your main reason? What was your focus of leaving your home? What was your focus? What was your target? Like, I'm going to Germany. if I read Germany, there's one of a friend that I know. He was telling me his testimony. He said, when he was coming, he said when he just get to Germany, other 6 months, he don't go back to Nigeria, don't build mansion. Oh, why? Because he was seeing other people who come from Germany, who come from Europe, what they were establishing in back home, and he was saying them. So he was so excited about it. He was like, oh, if I come Europe, me and Europe. Do you believe when he finally he was here? When he now see the system, he said, gosh, if I have known, in fact, I wouldn't have even come. I was saying, why? He said, you guys are trying. I can't do this. When the winter now come, hey, winter, oh, winter, oh, it now become winter. There is code, though. Is it how you people saying the code? I say, the code have not just started. This is just slowly. You understand? Restructuring oneself. Let us restructure ourselves. It's too much. It's getting out of hands. It is getting out of hands. I'm not excluding myself from it. It's getting out of hands. Sometimes I was thinking it's just joking. You tell me, I tell you, you curse me, I curse you. No, it was more than that. The 3-4 video I've watched this day before yesterday, I'm tired about social media. I can easily delete my account and walk away. It's annoying. It's really, really annoying. So, restructuring, don't forget. It is you and me. When I mean restructuring social media, I am not talking of social media. I'm talking of you and me. We are the media. We are the one that is constituting the nuisance. Not the phone we are using, not the internet we are using. It's individual that is constituting this nuisance that needs to be put an end. We need to put an end to it. We are mothers. We are fathers. We have people look to us. We have role models. We have people who say, you are my mentor. People say, you are my mentor. Then you not say, you are a but no, it doesn't work that way. You are not a motivational speaker at all. You are a motivational destruction. You understand? So let us restructure ourselves. Most especially we that call ourselves mothers. Our children are watching. Throughout this week, I managed to be going through YouTube's. What I was saying, I was just listening, all day. You see me yesterday, I was not able to showcase. It's not a do or die affair. Not because you need viewers, you need followers. People that will follow you. People that love you will come. Even if you do video when you are not there, do your video, leave it there. Just leave it there. People will still go and see what you talk about. People want to know what is this my friend talk about today. So my friend was live today. Let me, because of this thing, this NSAS problem that is at hands now. Social media, Facebook, and all this media networking, they have, sometimes you don't get notification because they don't want all those things to be spreading. So fine, good and fine. We like it. It's better later when they now go to your page and say, Princess Evia was live 5 hours ago. They will say click and watch your videos. Restructuring oneself is very important. To restructure yourself. Why do I advantage going with social media? It is a shame and reproach. It's a shame and disgrace. My baby, or one not dinner home, or do I see you, or do I see you? Or you know, police not bear one, or do I go there? Oh, what you doing here? The police said I bear one other. You understand? So, a police got bear one, or do you go there? So don't be a motivational destruction or a motivational destroyer. Try, motivate others. Let others see what is coming out of you and let them learn from them. You must not kill somebody for it. It doesn't worth it. Restructuring oneself. Restructuring this thing called social media. If not, the worst are yet not to come. The worst are still coming. This thing you are saying, when the other time, let me break it down. The other time when I was talking about this same issue, People were thinking I was joking. When you deal with me, when you speak about me, when you talk about me, when I know I did not offend you, I did not wrong you, be prepared. Shame and disgrace must come. Everything that I say, we'll be back. I'm not bragging, but that is the truth. I know in me that I never offended you. I know many people that came out insulting me, bullying myself and my family, but I know I never come for them. I never measure them. But because they were motivational destroyer, so they find it so easy to like, yes, this is my opportunity. I need to. Anybody they mention my name, the name was so awkward that even me myself, I have to sit down, start listening, and say, yeah. And I become a superstar. And I become their topics. But never mind, but today, where are they? Yawo. Rock yewe no yeo. Wamage o. Area mije. No mase woman no. No mase woman no yo ma wewa o. Area je. So, what am I talking about? We should try to, I'm not going to take long. So we should try and restructure. This thing is just the beginning. We are coming to it. I just want to bring you people back. I want to bring back past memory. I want to bring past 5 years, 10 years ago. Or how many years you say you have been on media. What have you achieved so far? Is it the cost money? Is it the cost viewers? Is it the cost mediaring? Is it when you on your camera, everybody will come there and curse you? Is it when you on your camera, everybody will come there and insult you? Is it when you on your camera, everybody will come and shame-talize you? Is that what you call a mediaring? Let's restructure our life. Let's restructure ourselves. So let's put that restructure. I will be bringing it in small. So let's go to Pemi. Madam Pemi Osula. I got your confession yesterday. Me, I know they conquer insult anybody. Ibude. Me ya wadi ni dando gemi no wase. Ni wa wa yare mana. Ni ewe wrong. Maybe akwe. Iwe tie no we dori oge, you know? Pemi Osula, do you know that I don't know the word to use for you at this particular minute? You disgust me. You are indeed a disgrace to the royal family, to Osula family in Okimole. That is our family, you know it. When this issue began, I personally called you when you were on live video that night. When you were insulting Evie. I stopped you. I said, stop it. Doesn't call for. This person that you are fighting for, I believe it was even because of genocide then. I said, stop it. End this issue. The issue arise again. Mr. Eddie Murphy now called the both of you and settled that same issue. But still, you never let go. You never let go. Fine, nobody will be enjoying it when somebody is insulting your father, bringing the picture of your father out of media and insulting your father or your family, and you keep quiet. That makes you another dumb. But the other way around, the way to address such issue is to use your initiative. It was not like you must fight to retrieve it. There was other way you could have also do it by calling Evie to order. As far as Eddie Murphy have already settled that issue for you guys, you could have let go. Ganging, evil gathering, destruction. That is why that word restructuring. You came, I was shaming your shame yesterday. Do you know why? It was written all over you. It was shame. Shame. See how you have brought down the image of the royal priesthood. How dare you? How dare you? Pay me. I'm shaming your shame. I am shaming your shame. Involving the other members of the family. You know what? You might feel that you're in Europe. You were to wherever Lagos Street. Oh, mia. Oh, when I bring my Lagos Street again. When me they will tie you up. No, even though you are married, when you misbehave your husband and you are sent back, you know how it's being restructured. They will tie you. They will call the Igbama. You know what I'm talking about now. They will tie you up. They will tie you, and they will flog a living daylight out of you. Please, as you are coming, share this video, please. They will flog the living daylight out of you. You know it. You know it. And it's never changed. So don't think you are too big. You understand? You bring that name, Osula name, to the mud. You bring it to the mud. Well, moi, any family ni ade, poto. One family money ade poto na do poto na do yasinoro. One more. All because who got the viewers, who got no deba work now, no ya deba form a group. Destruction. Motivational destruction. Motivational disgraceful. Just imagine how the almighty Iroko has fallen. I'm just laughing at you people. Just look at how you guys are falling apart. Falling. It's a shame. It's a reproach. You have a child that is looking at you. Look at the way we apologized yesterday. Because it's never called for. If woman ya plan a cook, no ya good viewer. And eventually we are apologizing, you know. You see, every damn man, my baby we are apologizing, you know, that video can also be used against you. You know it. Every damn man now. What your boy me done? What your boy mocking you want so that only do your bomb not bomb who buy home. Or your bomb not bomb, they wake it those joy. Anyway, I hear him away. What your baby mocking you want who does that? Only pay me. Who disgrace a family man. Who disgrace a solar family from Genesis to Revelation. Wadorima poto, wadorima fumogo. I'm you understand? I know of your sula. Oh, sula na emoe. A royal father for that matter. Oh, we know unyagban. Una mwe ade social media no do poto na we Sonia e dokba. We here dove. We here dove. Your boy with that henceforth. Lawa. We do social media. There ki do ya vie ki were. That do asin one. Anything we do, but ma beg you ne social media na. You ne progressive you know na. You ga we gbe mi owo. Who like mind the business way. Day your day. Depression is real. Let's caution ourselves. Let's bring ourselves to order. And make a turn back. Make a reverse. Let's make a return. Make a U-turn. If not, a time will come when you on your camera, nobody is going to look at it. I want to buy the dog away. The next bus stop. I want to see on or not. The next bus stop. I want to put my kid away. What your continue to cover what balance one on one corner is better than to come and be listening to the rubbish that is coming out of the mouth of some people. That call themselves mothers, that call themselves motivational speaker, that call themselves an inspirator. Please, I am begging every one of you, both the commenters, both the sharer, both the listener, both the viewers, that is, we all must be restructured. Not just only the presenter alone. We all need to be restructured. This social media must be restructured. If not, we will not like what will happen. And this is the era we are going now. The era we are already there. Then you guys will not remember me that I said it. My word will never return empty. All things is established, yes. Eri mi me waje, o wa gba. We awa mu kame, we wa deyeti, we wa ye, we wa heri moi, we wa here. Etieti oketi pa deyeti because as far as he can shake my anyway, even ni ya offendo kuna, he carry a rovia. So pay me that one for you. So my advice for you today, I just pray that the family, that Ivie and the family forgives you. Forgives you. And I apologize on your behalf to the family of Ivie. And I'm so happy that nothing happened to them. Because if anything still happen, you see, that is where the problem lies. It might not be you, but because that audio now is out, that confession is out, then you can be held responsible. So Ivie, my darling, I apologize on behalf of all Osula family because there's no way she would just say it and then no. Oh no, they go money ban ho. E ba ho. O ma ona do wedo na do gbin naga. Ono so na gege ya yin. Me I will de yin love. That is the restructuring we are talking about. Let's apologize. That's the word apology. It says sorry is a very big word. It's a 5-letter word, but it's very important. And it heals wounds. It heals pains. The word sorry. I am sorry. Most especially when you are really sorry. Not just sorry. When you are really sorry and you are really repentant. Real repentance in you. Then we will now know that yes, of a truth, you need to be forgiven. Not after saying sorry, we will put it down, we will record, it will be on record that these days, worse. You understand me? So, please, I apologize. Because in fact, I don't know. Well, that's for that. I don't want to go, I don't want to spend much time here. So, who's next? Wow, look at Mama B, Beatrice Opaika. Madam Beatrice Opaika. You have been looking for me for a very long time. Very, very long time you've looked for me. But I want to tell you that I want to tell you one word. Osa. Or when holding. You might don't understand that those say Osa when holding. No. You understand? As you guys know, since I've been, it's not that maybe I'm not long, I've been on social media for 3 years. Yeah, I've been doing my day. Yeah, when this issue that's called my attention to this side of yours, I've never poked nose to any people videos. I don't do it. I do my day. I mind my business. That is me. Because why? I have a reputation to protect. So I was protecting it. Until you people decided to come and rubbish my name. But it was okay. I still remain. You see me? I'm still day my day. Now my day I still day here. I did some my house. So the yesterday I can't even increase. You know? From grace to grace. You understand? Madam Beatrice Opaika, you have been looking for Princess Ivie for a very long time. You remember when you did one video? But you know I did not come and answer you. Initially when I came out, when I started talking to everybody, I know how people were engineering me. I am too special to be pushed. I am too wise to be manipulated. I am too educated to be manipulated by a soul, I don't know, a human being like me. No. Do you understand? They boss me. Bishop Micah is the problem on social media. I never throw my mouth to you. I never. I respected you. I never open this my mouth and address your issue one day. But still, you did one video against me. You did 2. You did 3. One way or where maybe where you are the Aduga, you are the Alpha, the Omega. No more many vignettes. Oh, but because I was just saying one thing that you were not saying. But I was saying one thing in you. I was saying you like, I was saying that that structure of a mother. Like, I wish I can call you to order, even without showcasing it on media. But because you guys are dispersed people that when you call, you start recording people. So I am very, very careful how I relate with people. But I never answered you. The time of Melusa, you came out. It's an issue, you addressed it. But do you know that the way you addressed that issue as a mother, was it right? Yeah. But because maybe you needed viewers, you needed people to come and watch you. Give me this, give me that. You decided to rubbish me. But did you see me coming out from you for you? And oh no. I was wise like a serpent. I keep quiet. I keep quiet. I did not answer you. Because I said to why Jehoya ya. Erana maya koko, rana maya koko, dena ya koko. What by setting why back boya? People complain about you so bitterly on social media. I think it's at time you take a reverse. Give it a step back. No matter power you think you possessed, or no matter which power you think is in your possession, other people possessed it. I want you to know it. No matter which power you are possessing, or power that is in your possession, other people. And we asset you, but when we asset you, that is why. Yeah, women like Befi, and you do my fee. I had your own benefit, Barry. I understand, but I did not come for you because I say insulting you on media with your age. I think I would feel like I'm insulting my own senior sister, and which I cannot do. So if I want to insult people, I insult people with my age group. It's Zanzan, ultimate, you know. But Mama Joy. It was really difficult for me to really come out and insult her because it was too much. Just in the but after the men will say, maybe we'll be a replier. No! Because I don't know people, mostly, okay, let me not just go there. Let me through with yours. I never come to you. When I was video, you did one video against me. Let me remind you. You said I bought a document in Italy. If I summon you, can you prove it? If I summoned you now, can you prove it? Yeah, you will not say yes. People are engineer Ivie. They have engineered her. They have said this to her. They say if you should go and bring paper for me. If I summon you now today, can you defend such words? That you're true, you were there when I bought a document for myself. Were you there? Were you there? No. But you came to media where you know I have nothing with you. I have no issue with you. I have no quarrel with you. You have the right to support whoever you want to support. That's also with me. Also do I. I have right to support anybody I want to support. Provided I don't make gang. I don't plan to kill anybody. I don't constitute nuisance I don't complicate issues. On behind the scene, ask people if they can testify about it. I am that person. After media, I call them. Please, as a matter now, I don't push issues. I don't push it. No, I don't push it. People say I engineer Susie to go and bring Ayelala. How do I engineer her? Because people were writing me. When you accuse somebody, what they did to that woman then, you yourself know it was wrong. But did you address it as an elderly person who has stayed so long in media? Did you address it right? Did you say, what you not do so no good though? How not go carry this man? Even if she did it. But Susie never have issue with you guys. You decide to rubbish her. Then you put and said, I was the one that engineered her. No! The only way you can deny such allegation was the action she took. And she did right. The same thing goes to me. When they said that, so when somebody said my mother was killed, you people remember, the only way I could defend that word was also to do what I know how to do best. When somebody said I stole laptop, you people know what I also did. I carried juju. I swear on it. If really I stole it. Yes, that is the major. But all those things I did then, if maybe they just came out and say, maybe when I was talking, I was really angry about it. You can't come and rubbish my mother. I don't know you. You don't know me. You are supporting who you are supporting. I have never come out to come and insult who you are supporting or insult you. It was enough evidence for you to say, this person starts saying no insult who they support. There's no need of me insulting that person as well. But you, the Almighty Aduga, that word have not ended. But I let go. But if also you have also come to it was a bully, because it's my many time, that's why I say so. Then I couldn't have even go up to that extent. It was not used. That same money I used in doing that, it could have fetched me. In fact, that money for rich me more like 2,000 blocks. If my poetry, I go set them, buy foul for inside them, they hear them. At the end of this December, I go get money. Me like money. I like money. The time I never marry, if I got my house, I don't agree me touch me, I will say collect money. He must give me money. The most of that transport, I must collect them because transport too high for Germany. Not be play, not be my mind. I must collect them. I say not be hook up. I don't come. Guy, I don't like you. Yes. A woman that is not married is like a piece of cloth to the market. Anybody can go there and price until you are married. Yes. So if you are rich there, first thing, transport, train money, go see how much. I will say, mostly if the distance, oh, your 300 or 200 euro, where you go fair give me. And this time, I know say, give me, touch me because we want to see each other. I want to know you, me, you know me. Then when I don't see you, say, you straight. You not be go. You not be okay. You not be this. You be kind of man where I like you. I don't go back house. I will write you again. We'll start the journey. But if I not like you, as I reach as you have some money, la beg, I'll call you back. That one go end. So I never retaliate to you. I never answer to you. Please, as you are coming, share this video out. Please, don't hesitate. So if I should summon you tomorrow, now, because that is what I am doing now. Because I saw that video and I see how you insulted me. I don't like it. But I never reacted. I waited till today. I want to bring your memory back. Did you escort me to that place to go and buy documents? That place you said, it's Torino. Abi, you said it was Torino. Or where, I don't know where you say it was. Did you escort me there? Will you bring those people out when we go to the shrine? Will you bring them out? Because if you cannot bring them out, you are going to come back on social media. We will take a movie. I will not let go. Yes. You know to prove on our. And you say you know many things about me. Those are wrong statements. Because you need something to talk about. Because we are sitting where I don't know what you are saying. Yes. But you don't know me. You don't if you boy a menoton. You don't if boy yoma. You don't if ye a song when ye see why we are full. Because why? You marry a goma. You expect a woman to yagome. Wumi. I'm not even in this. I'm not even the next word. I'm not expecting it. You marry a goma. My mother was well known. Even Maria Goma, Domak Bovioma. Okay, the word Yagoma. Iji metrati ya doga no wuji metichi me kokeya. I go kishi me no river ya levan tenant. I've not seen such woman before. Am I aware? Maria woman. So anybody that will plan and succeed. We are what soon anywhere destruction is swing. This is where all this destruction are coming from. So you don't prove it. And secondly, the other video you did, we inherited one that remember when it matter. Anytime you be a though we are not matter, you are going to deal with me. Okay. You are going to deal with me. No. Ariel, you will not deal with me because I don't have any issue with you. My sugar, I don't know what you are talking about. You say, I beg, go sleep. Please, if you know. You see now when I come here, now, I don't insult anybody. You don't see me now say, I carry insult, call insult of Becca. Or everybody who I don't talk to since now, you don't see me say I insult anybody. I'm trying to talk. I'm also talking about commenters. You think it's just only all presenters? Now, tell me what I talk now will make you talk. Say me, I go sleep. Tell me, what you... I don't feel sleep. I must speak my mind. Even though say you, wait, say me, I go sleep, so say you still know me. As far as you be fake accounts, I'm not going to answer to you. You will come out for public. Let's do it. Okay? Okay. All right. So, that one, okay, not me. Okay, fine. So, I am not insulting anybody, but I'm trying to bring restructure to social media. Let's restructure it. Let's try and remove the hand of the mocking from the soup before it become a human being's hands. Everybody goes against you, Madam Okpaika, on social media. Don't you think it's at time you have your revise on your motto? No, you are not trading. Please, you are not trading. People will not say, no, you are not trending at all. But you are, little by little, you are, guys, you are, how will I put it? You are bringing down your reputation. The respect people has for you will soon be fade away. And which is, it's not right. Please, I'm begging you. Because by the time I serve you this paper, don't let it be a shock. Nobody is engineering me now to do it. But because of how you've been looking for me, it's not the right way to look for people who does not look for you. Even if you know things about me, as far as I never talked to you, I never insulted you, it doesn't warrant it. You bringing it on social media. Yeah, everybody have a past. Everybody have a skill to cover. Not be say, this is a cause you be no say you know that thing. No second, I don't know we are no raw. Eya la one in here. Eya ye gbefe yo mo ya la wiko. Eya ye gbefe wo lo la wa. Bebe bonorina. We bo pe ya po. So na gboya di yo boss here no do log that doge all because of social media. You invite problem, you invite destruction to your household, all because of social media. How much are you going to get? You are working. You get your salary at the end of the month. So if you can motivate people, if there are way you can suffer for what is going on social media, you have to do it. Not increasing it. Yeah. That one aside. So I will be waiting for you now to come and beat me. That is what you said. Anytime I come out to talk, then you will not come out for me. Then I will not serve you the paper. So go and end it there. Because I will not come back and repeat this word. No. But I will serve you the paper so that I will have my peace. So that you will never... And immediately I serve you that paper, you will be warned. My name, they're not going to hear for your mouth again. That is it. Sister Joba say, yeah, my darling, we are here. You understand? I will serve you that paper. Not because people push me. No. But because it's what you wanted from me. So that's not your time for you. What I tell you now, we say, we are going to arrive à un vieux boy above one. We are going to arrive à via de Beni. Ouvre. We are let me out here when I glisse. Ouvre. Then we can book of boundary and no. Understand? I'll be respecting you a lot. I see you as a sister. I see you as a mother. I see you as everything. I see you as somebody that can easily bring matters home and address it the way it's supposed to be addressed. But no, it's always the other way around. You always clamor about matters that are not good. You understand? So, since you look for me, I'm present. So, that one for you, apart. Agboyawe mi na soro vena. Oro mo titi o, agboyawe mi na soro vena. Oro mo titi, iwo mo titi. Oro mo titi o edo, oro mo titi o edo, oro mo titi. Iwo mo titi, oro mo titi. Madam Joy. Bega oniyagewe. Madam Joy. Bega oniyagewe. Okay. We show beg a matter well la because Oma suppose you don't fight people in the dark. You fight people outside. You don't fight people. You don't fight people in the dark, but you fight people when they are out. First, the day you were talking about me, you pushed me to insult you. You know I've never insulted you. You'll be doing it. You'll be doing it. Message to Ivieri. You message to Ivieri. You message to Ivieri. Because you need viewers. So by the time you mention my name, people want to come and hear no keke no raw. Men name no keke na ata social media. Men moe. Imoe. Men name no keke. No we have to have social media. Imoe raw. Because why am I? The time you speak about my elder sister, you call me mommy, but you know I was not. Yeah, mommy. When you say Magbogo, I suspected you. Because I know a Magbogo. Magbogo is long time dead. It's my elder sister. She died long time. So anybody know when you're going, you go old school at pen. It's one gualik and one carry. As far as soon you Magbogo nini. So this man, this name that is trending, this Mama Lola or this picture you people showed, I saw that picture. I know the person. Yes. When you now talk of Ulala, she will hear this message. I'm talking to Mama Joy now. Ulala was up. He lives in Upper. He's one of the youngest native daughter then in our era. Far back 25 years ago is when I know Ulala. 25 years ago, I was still very small. I know Ulala. My elder sister, mommy, Imagbogo, two of them, they were 5 and 6 because we are both cousins. They were the both of them. They were the both of them that bring me along with them to Ulala's shrine at Upper. That was where this woman really know who she was measuring. So, my confirmation is not yet confirmed, but that picture, you are the one. You keep insulting me without me insulting you. You keep... Take this video to Ivie. Take this video to Ivie. Take Waya. Don't send message to me. Don't send any errand to me. Tayewa. If I like, I respond. If I like, I don't respond to you. It's not a yardstick I must respond to anybody that talks to me. I find it more interesting when you are talking to me because it makes me a superstar. People want to know, is this Ivie? That was how I got trend. That people all over the world got to know me today. You make me trend. You guys make me trend. Every minute. Princess Ivie, we go. Princess Ivie, every minute. Wait, come. Why are you here? Was it right? Even if I know you now, what do you think is going to happen? When me I was sick, if I really want to investigate you now, I was today. Baby so we do need. You know, oh la la, we are do when I get la 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 no get bien la la. That means si o da fun we ni, ti la la nu no e we. Ai fa se, o ti ma gbogo ni kere. O kama we oni wo azewa ni hin, eyin ni hin. Bi egbe ne. O wa we tama we. But imadoro wie we. Una gala dia gbe message to evie yo, message the first video you made. Ujere with well me ware we be to hard dress issue we no. Imaka we ado gbe of anybody wa. Ine gbe ti we oni. Nya ya gbo anybody's child wa, and I will not even do it. Now I bet what I was referring to is Omo Egbo Jason. One of your mocking wa wigbe, you wa ma wigbe. So why see over this your boy wara? When I me we I got fear on the day what dodge or ya kim mun wabie. That was what I was addressing. But how did it turn up? Not a fear with you, but I never really talk about it. Then after when you started inviting me. Wa gwe ye benagie. Wo gwe meja na na ye begumia. We say so we mess we are the ben na be we give me we are serve me by lala or e ba o konu we are serve me no we are here ni ma ya ten me we gba me ba ni ma we gba ya ten me gba me ma gba when ma ya dwoki ne gbe o when ni ke ya go dwoki la ma o when ma ya sa o when ya mu ga o sa le o when na o sa ya gwale me hia o ni ma me kina tawa because ma gboro no so gbo we ma wu we me ma be doro we ima doro we. You understand? But you take it upon yourself and become your topic. No. Omade, omasunu verio. Omasunu. You understand? So, Madam Joy, la wa. We have we all gelo la because it matter we gena. Everything here stress you because I got nothing to gain, I got nothing to lose. Eyan wari tawo wa wana watai. Ifunu wa wana wetai. Oru wa. Betege de. Agu no pa we ekino we sisa. You understand? So for that simple reason, Madam Joy, lawa. Ya wi yoze. Ya change the topic we. Yes, go and make it right to anybody. Let's restructure social media. Let us restructure it. When I mean restructure, I'm not talking of the camera we are using. I am not talking of the people that are watching us. I am talking to individuals, you, me, him, her, everybody on media. As far as you call yourself a presenter or whatever, as far as you are somebody that any given time you will hold your camera and you start constituting nuisance. Today, let us have a restriction. Or is it you, that person that somebody so much believed and trusted you, fought for you, and you keep record of all those things? By the time that person is no more with you, you start playing record. Who are you? Who are you? And what you are? You use those words against them. You bully them. You know bully can lead to death. You can bully people. That people they will commit suicide. You don't know it. There are major. There are where you will bully someone. The person will just go and commit suicide. Most especially that person has a secret that he have already shared with you. Keep it. No matter what, keep it. Let that secret be secret. Keep it. Don't say today, I just define you as today. Which I'm just talking now. I mean, you talk that secret if you tell me. No! Aragui. Araku. Araku. Why would you have a gui? So let everybody learn his or her mistake. Trust nobody. Let your secret be. Do you know what is secret? Secret secret is that thing that you keep in within yourself. You don't share it. By the time you share it, it's no more a secret. Your best friend also have a best friend. Your best friend also have a best friend. So a secret is the thing you keep in your heart. Nobody, you share with no one. Even you share with even your husband, you will not share with him. It's a secret. You call it a secret. You share it with nobody. Except it's something that you need someone to encourage. When you need encouragement, you can bring in part of your lifestyle that you really want to correct. That is where you now invite someone else to come and poke nose into your life. Life is a secret himself. Life is a secret himself. So who are you? Are you a friend or you are a motivational destruction? Are you motivating people or you are destroying people? Every now and then, when you don't have topic, you come out, you start bullying people, start saying, play recording, what somebody have used to supported you. Let me tell you one thing you don't know in life. People you meet today, you might meet them again. This thick social media you are seeing, we don't know how it's going to end. You might end up killing your own blood sister. Before you know it, you have already killed him or her. You will not regret about it. So that is why we need to restructure it. To enable you to day your day. I go day my day. Mind your business. Whatever you have, showcase it. Whatever you want to give, give it. Give it a word of power. Let your word come with power. Voice it out. Let people hear you. Let people always sit down and wait. So, Mama never enter line today. They wait. I will wait. Not always fighting. Not fighting. Destroying one another. Killing one another. All because of viewers, subscriber, YouTuber. Forget about it. Go and look for a job. Lawa. Forget about it. Forget. Let's call a spade a spade. But as I'm saying it, people will say, no. I'm not win now. Why we are zero your Denny? Even the momo will I will not come and borrow for you. What me ask it over you 1,000 euro. You are way. Okpogo zogo me atie. Yes. No come here man them my dear sister. So when we do sena or severio. You be moki you want remedy. You lawa sister. Babe na madoro we bet lawa high. Lawa. On na mi o mami. Aga miege wegele no. Madam, sister Joy. Ekwewe akabomo me. Me gbale no but e ulala, me gbale no bae. Ehia ye on emi me no fiefo. O ma no me no bulala la o wa sende egume. Beti gie wan eni ya gwalo o wae. Nye ya name eme. Yes, and I know that person. Moja. So I will not also advise any person to insult that man first. No, why? So why if you beg you planning for the now? Why review? Wala will all presenters. Why review lala? I get why. Because a boy or an ayarovianania at the end of the day. So was in your way me whine. Ake atabi no nya kwani go madole yisi. So let us restructure social media. Let us see how we can restructure it. Let us see how we can day our day. Let us see how we can become a good motivational speaker. Whatever we want to showcase, let's showcase it. Let's make people laugh. People are passing through distresses. People need words that will make them feel happy. People need words that will make them love, that will make them happy in their home. You are here, you are bullying somebody. Maybe in here again away. I want to know who is passing through that pain. Then we get record the setting. We're only going to trust to where. Or not if you are where. You will lose it. You are going to lose all your viewers. You will lose them. You are going to lose them all. Yes. You will lose them. So please, let's restructure social media. So that is that for now. So we are still on the matter. So when other information come, I will come and tell you guys. Okay? I will tell you guys about it. And we should start by showcasing it first. Bringing it, practicing it. They say practice make perfect. Let us practice it. By the time we practice it, you will now see that things will fall in place. There's no need of fighting oneself. We are all brothers and sisters. We all come from the same Edo, Bini, Esan, Bini, Edo. We are all one. So we all came from the same place. So we all need to acquire knowledge. Let's acquire wisdom. More wisdom to this issue that is at the ground. We need precaution. Let us use precaution. If not, Ogbenyale, Enyeviale. End. So that is it, my people. I want to thank you guys. And secondly, that's that for that. Secondly, I really want to talk about when we are saying fundraising or when we are saying happy hands. Please, brothers and sisters, anywhere you are, anywhere you are, and you see people are raising fund on somebody, please don't hesitate to participate in it. You know why? It opens door. It opens door for you. Most especially if that person is dead. As we all know, one of our brothers who just passed away, Mr. Osaro Igbineweka, popularly known as Ikalo, he lives in Sweden. Please, we are raising fund. Don't say you don't know him. Please try and participate. Pay to this account and immediately you contribute because we are taking the cups home. So if you contribute to it, in fact, the Lord will bless you. And it will open more doors of victory to you. And secondly, I want to appreciate my people. Most especially Sister Jobaze and one other sister like that. I cannot remember his name. His name is not, except I will go back tomorrow when I'm on air. I will bring all your names out. I want to appreciate you guys. I want to thank you for contributing. In fact, I was shocked. I was shocked when people were paying, sending me tellers. I was saying, that means people like me like this. So may God forbid that anything happens to me today. And I'm putting my trust on you people. I'm giving, that is why, because of the love you people have showered on me, I have given up long time on Saga. Because of the love you people have for me. Mama, we too love you, Mama, beg. Do Saga, give Mama, beg. We too love you, too. You know, but not because I don't have word to tell you. But because of the people that are with me, they don't like it. They will tell you, please. You see? So, please, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you guys for your contribution. God will bless you. Even as if, even when they don't even know this person, people will pay money, sending me tellers on WhatsApp. I don't wake up in the morning, I see teller. I wake up in the morning, I see teller, I say, you say, Mama, this is the little we can give. I say, you call this one little. Thank you very much. Joy Baze, thank you. I appreciate you. May God bless you and your household. The other people, but tomorrow I will bring your name out. But some people say I should not call their name. But I thank you. I want to say a big thank you to you guys that I appreciated. I appreciate it. Even that person is not my blood brother, but it's my brother. It is my brother. We are brothers. As far as they are taking the bodies home and you contributed, be quite assured, at the point of your needs, God will surely meet you, no matter what it is. As far as we are here in Europe, we are not in Nigeria, so anything can happen to anybody. So don't pay a deaf ear, don't pay reluctant about it. Say, I beg, I don't know the person, I beg, I'm not it of no use. And when you're not better, you want to be very reason. You're not better here, the people that did not bury the person here, they got their reason. So you see, so please guys, because this person just came back from Nigeria, let me say a month ago, and he just died. So that is it. So please, guys, if you know you have not contributed, you will see it on my wall there. The account number is there, is UBA account is there. Once you just pay, my number is also there. Send me the teller on WhatsApp. So I will also go and place it in that group where we are submitting our pay slip. We have a place where we submit our pay slip. So I will go and submit it there. So please, guys, I really love you guys. I thank you guys. Please let's love Leeds. Please. Least I forget. Mommy Akim. Please. I want to beg you. Please. So I was in so I will also appeal to you. You should be calm about everything. Forget about this your audio, but by the time you see anything that's Oma or go to you, no man like, talk about it. But okay, bonana imu bomana. Owo yoba e ahira mo bogbe. We imima o age mo bogbe. I we in the rest so we to ma, but yaka we mi o hwane. Ke we do tam no nya hwa. I we in that oge e to mo bo. You walk in we oni or we yala dia e to we but tough no used. Need the raw. Unwa but anything no reverse to your no ma like. We right. We are type but why get my book big wala wo. You don't know the man you cannot donate, it does not really matter. No, you must not know him before you donate. Yes. If he was in Nigeria, they will not ask for any donation. You know. So if the man died in Nigeria, we will not ask for donation. They will bury him there. But because it's in Europe, we need to take the corpse home. So you know it requires a lot of money taking corpse home in Europe. So if you are in Europe, contribute. Try and be part of it. Sow that seed and pray for it. Ask God. God should not, except if you are just that person that say, yeah, as I die abroad, I go die for you, they go bury me for you, and then they get Nigeria again. If I die, I don't come back from Nigeria. When we are learning when woo, ne kimarok by a webo. Eruni melani hi. Mema no woo kime ye webo. Ewo. Ime wa sofa bo wimeni. So ya wa munga yiva. No egbokpa ya muni ya kioni ya gago erimiss me ya rinya va. The spirit anybody know when he big bo. Anybody know misbehave wa bagbe so ho jo. Ita me won again na so fire mudia we fabrica for 11 hours. Are you there? Who does that? You understand? All the period one how we. So try be part of it. The blessing is yours. The whole door opening is yours. So please, guys, don't hesitate. Try and be part of it. So that is all for today. I said I will not get to take much of your time. I got it. But we got a new product today. Wow. This is my package. 2 packages just came today. Okay. That's how I know they say how they say all American they come every. Hey. Calabar. Egbo mo I will go be Calabar. Worry. Just sit it today. I don't hear you. I'll call you back when you come off from my line. Oh, what we do? Oh, what we So we got a new product today. So we are going to open it, and please don't hesitate. It's a business opportunity. Don't hesitate to come and join this business. Yeah, so if no one marry me katan, if no one marry anything, my business is always there. And people, I got my God people who are already buying from me. And this one is just people orders, you know. I've been on my gift be this. I don't even know which one be this one again. This comes. see what is this. American or female. Wow. Wow. Yeah. The man don't have a why do American? Why do bloody man? Why do this one? I just 2 gifts already. This one on my way, babe. Wow. This is a new body cream. Yes, there's a new body cream from American. If you want your skin to remain the way it is, this is natural cream. So we now have it on American. So you can place your order. Now it's here. It's here. It's body cream, but not for face. We also have the face cream. You can use this one is body lotion. This one is body cream. Lotion, yeah. This one, if you are a fair person, we have the one for fair. We have the one for black. See, it is 2. So when you are a fair person, if you are the one using light skin, you want your skin to remain fresh, not dent. This one is for fair. This one is for natural person, you see? So we have it now. Now. So may place your orders. So we have finally, wow, the other, what's it called? Mineral 3D powder is here because I was having like 40 pieces. There's bought all of them, so people will be asking. So finally it's there. We're not having it in stock. Wow, this one, we use this one to make up to know wave away. So we have it now, and many others. Oh, my lipsticks are here. Oh, wow, we have more lipstick. Maroon red, pepper red. Wow, let me see which color is this. Wow, pepper red. This is pepper red. This is pepper red. We have it much now in stock. So place your order. It's not expensive. It's just 20 euros. One. So we have many colors here. We have Burberries. We have many more are also here. We have Burberry and this lip glue. This one, I will make your wow. You see this one? So we have it. Please place your orders. This one is 3-in-1. It's lip glue. It's another lip glue. Other colors. Yep. Wow, so wonderful. We have Burberry. We have all of them. Name it. So place the order. Those are just new orders just came today. So for those of you that have placed your order already, thank you, Dali. Justina Godwin, thank you, mama. Thank you, my mama. You understand? So we have this one just also arrived. It's for day and night. Solution for your pimples. If you have big pimples, see now this one is for people with oil skin. This one is for people without oil skin. You see them? They are differentiating all of them. And we still have this clear pool is here again for your pimple. This one will remove it. Charcoal black and all that. Free moisturizer. This one is the moisturizer. We still have much powder. We have so many powder now. Many more. We have, so just place your order. I have like 20 powder today. So place the order. Don't hesitate. We have a concealer. We have concealer. It's also here. It's 20 euros. 22 euros. Very nice one. See it. It's concealer. So we have so many. And if you want to join, you can still come and join the business. So it's a business opportunity. You will not regret it. You make your money without stress, without fighting. Okay. So that is all for today. I don't want to take much time because tomorrow we will talk again on the same issue. So thank you guys. I really appreciate. I want to say thank you for those of you that have contributed. Thank you. This is my place orders. So thank you very much. Thank you. I really love you guys. Thank you. Let's love lead. Let's embrace ourselves again. Let's see how we can restructure social media and see how we can make this all right again. So anyhow it is, please, if I've this word that I've said, if it offend any of you that I've mentioned, don't let it offend you. Don't let it bother you. Sorry if you don't like the word where I talk today. No verse put. No kill my picky put. No kill my papa put. No kill my mama put. No kill anybody put. Leave the matter throw for dustbin. You they go your own way. If you still like, come still cause me, but I no go still come reply you. But the only word where I talk, we're gonna let problem come up for social media. You will busy people they talk about, a quarrel for. Try. Restructure yourself. Thank you, everyone. Let love lead. I love you guys. Bye for now. Who is that? Hello? Yep. Give me a call. Moi, speaker. Ok, là, c'est des mauvais. Yeah, bon, WhatsApp, mais. Ouais, bon, non. Ok, J. Send them, yeah. Yeah! So, tomorrow, guys, get ready. The bone share, what a bone show. What a bone show is coming tomorrow. So, I will give you people the updates of this issue. What a bone show. What a bone show. I will come shocktalize everybody tomorrow. Mona, quick come home. All right, guys. Please, if you have not contributed, go and contribute to our brother. Let's take him home, please. I am begging. Please, let's contribute to Sarah Ibineweka. Yes, he's our brother. We've lost him. We say farewell to him and our condolences to his family. So, love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. I remain your beautiful Africa Jama Queen. Nobody else.